Okay, here with the one and only Connie Francis. Connie, another major event. I mean, it seems like you've been and done it and seen it all, right? So, I mean, the only thing left for me to ask you is what are your expectations going into South Africa?
Expectation, coming from the calm, and know that not only for us, the world is expecting us to give a good show. And these girls here also expect themselves to go out there and to give 110% to ensure that this time around that coming out of South Africa that we have some color medal. We have a team who's mature and who have been playing together for more than 10 years. So they do understand each other. And they don't only play together, they communicate every week together. These girls here in Jamaica watch their teammates in Australia plays every week. Doesn't matter the time, they're up, giving support, talking, things like that. When she went down with her foot, the concern was there, you can hear the feedback. So it's really what I would call the family setting that I love about this team, and the maturity that this team have, and knowing that they are so hungry to ensure that this time around, that when we go into World Cup, we have a good team that has shaken the world already, and we intend to shake them again.
Well, this is year 10 of playing for the senior Sunshine Girls, and I'm pretty much proud. They tell me as Simone, Connie sometimes, but I believe I own my own craft, so I'm pretty much proud of myself, of the journey and how I've grown over the years, and I can't wait to get to the top court and showcase what I have in store for the World Championship.
Keep up, jump, wake up, make a dance every time, yellow picture. Alright, I'm the put up in your. Put up.